Find a comfortable position and allow your body to prepare for healing sleep. Lie down. Make sure all distractions are away and create a safe space for deep rest. Gently closing your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Hold it softly. And as you exhale, feel your body sinking deeper. Each inhale brings more relaxation, more nourishment. Your body knows what it needs. Each exhale releases all your tension, all your worries, and all your stress. Feel your nervous system settling and turning toward healing. Your body knows exactly how to heal. Trust its wisdom. Now notice a soft healing light forming in your heart center. This light holds your body's divine intelligence. And with each breath, this light grows brighter, stronger, and warmer. Watch this light flow upward. Feel it gently enter your crown. The body's healing wisdom flowing in, bringing deep peace to your mind, a natural calm to your thoughts. Flowing into your face, your forehead, relaxing your eyes, melting away tension in your jaw. Flows down through your neck, your shoulders becoming heavy. The light flows through your arms, through your hands, your fingertips tingling with healing energy. Back to your heart, growing brighter, warmer, stronger. This is your body's healing divine intelligence. This ancient wisdom that lives within you and knows exactly what you need. Going down through your throat, bringing healing into your heart space, where this divine wisdom lives. Each heartbeat awakening your body's natural healing. Feel it entering each chamber of your heart, each cell awakening to its perfect rhythm. Your heart muscle remembering its natural strength, its innate wisdom. Through your lungs, breath flowing with ease, each breath bringing renewed vitality. Your body knows exactly how to restore itself. This healing light carries divine intelligence. The ancient wisdom of your body, moving through your bloodstream, awakening natural healing. Your immune system finding perfect balance. Every cell remembering its original blueprint of health. This healing light flows into your digestive system, bringing deep restoration. Your stomach and intestines returning to natural harmony. Liver cells gently cleansing, restoring, renewing. Kidneys returning to perfect balance, natural rhythm. Every organ in your body is wrapped now in its own healing light. Feel this divine intelligence entering every cell. Your body knows exactly how to heal, how to renew. DNA awakening to its perfect pattern. Cell membranes becoming crystal clear and vibrant. Each mitochondria pulsing with renewed life force. Endocrine system finding perfect balance. Thyroid, adrenals, and pancreas working in harmony. Every gland in your body is producing exactly what your body needs. Your spine is in healing light. Each vertebra aligning, adjusting, balancing. Nerve pathways clearing, renewing, restoring. Your joints becoming supple, flexible, strong. Muscles releasing all tension, finding natural tone. Skin cells regenerating, renewing, glowing with health. Every tissue returning to its perfect state. This divine intelligence knows exactly what you need. Every atom, every molecule, every cell dancing in perfect harmony, perfect health. Your body remembering its natural state of wholeness. Through your hips, down your legs, and into your feet, your entire body glowing with healing light. Each cell repairing, renewing, restoring. Your entire body knows exactly how to heal itself. Feel your whole body come alive with this healing intelligence. Every cell awakening to its natural wisdom. As you drift towards sleep, affirm this with me. My body knows how to heal. My body holds infinite healing wisdom. Every cell in my body awakens to its divine intelligence. Perfect health flows through my entire being. I am aligned with my body's natural healing power. I am whole and renewed. Let sleep come naturally now as healing continues. Your body knows exactly what it needs. Trust in its perfect timing. Rest deeply now in healing light. Sleep peacefully as renewal continues. To love, light, and letting go. Namaste.